right, Olivia. What do you see? Oh no! What's the matter? What's the matter? You're outside. Oh, are you getting sleepy? Olivia is 3.5 weeks old. Oh yeah, let it out. Can you see this guy? What do you see? Hi. You're a sleepy girl. Are you a sleepy girl? Cameron's outside playing and Olivia's outside on the table. Oh, yeah. What do you think about that? What do you think? Peekaboo. Olivia. Olivia. Okay, you all done? Okay. Oh boy.